Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking to change up the look of your living room, new cushion covers can make all the difference. These green velvet cushion covers are from MIULEE. They're so pretty. It's in army green, that's the shade, a really nice, rich looking green shade, especially because of that shiny finish from the velvet. They have a really wide opening for the zipper. It makes it really easy to put your cushion insert inside. The zipper is hidden, so when you close it up, the seam almost disappears, so you cannot see it when it's on your couch. My size is the 16 by 16, so it's a bit of a snug fit on my cushion. If you want more of a fluffy look, you can go for one size bigger than your cushion. I really like the way it looks with the camel colored leather. This goes very nicely with lots of different patterns and shades and colors. So if you want to mix up your space, this is a really good way to do it. They're washable, they're easy to use, easy to maintain, and I think you'll really like them, and that's my point of view.